Alright folks, unboxing video. This is a ceiling fan you got off the Amazon. Not sure if this was a renewed one. It looks like it may be renewed. So who knows how good this thing will be. So this is a warmiplanet, light your life, 52-inch 3-speed fan with a remote, silent motor, LED, 24 watt. Let's go ahead and get out of the box. So one thing I noticed the other day at Home Depot and Lowe's, ceiling fans have gone from being a really good deal to really overpriced. You know, inflation obviously brought upon by government spending that's out of control, but we don't talk politics on this channel, so we won't get into that. Here is the installation guide. And I've never used this brand before, usually by Hunter. It's actually nice photographic steps here. Troubleshooting. See a little damage obviously to the foam in here. So some different parts that are in here. These look like they are meant to secure the fan blades. There's 4 of those to match the number of fan blades. And who knows when I will get motivated to actually install this. This is going up in one of the bedrooms. It's a little cover to go over the rod as it comes from the ceiling. One of the down rods. I might not actually use this because I don't know that I want that hanging from the ceiling. There's the cover. Then the remote. Bulky, kind of ugly looking remote. Then the kit that goes into the fan to make it one that you can control with the remote basically. So fan blades. Now these of course obviously, you know, silver blades, not going to be metal, right? This is painted. I'm trying to get these out of here so we can get a better look at them. Alright, so here's your fan blades. They feel pretty damn cheap, folks. One side's white, one side's silver. So overall, seeing those, not very impressed. Here is some weights for balancing. Bag of hardware, so got all kinds of stuff here for the install, and then we got here. Oh, there's a lot more parts in this fan than I'm used to seeing, to be honest with you. So you get 4 of those. Match your number of fan blades. The ceiling mount. You can see that. This is actually well built and padded at the top. So that part's a little nicer, folks, I will say. I will give them that. Alright. Now Here's the other down rod. This is the one I will be using. The short one. We'll take the long one and throw it in the other box. Here is the light assembly. And I don't, to be honest with you folks, I don't plan on doing an installation video for this. So I can tell you, this looks cheap as fuck. Yeah. Who knows how happy somebody's going to be with this, but it's only for the guest bedroom. They don't need a living luxury. And then this. So this actually looks, you know, this actually looks good quality, right? We'll see though if it's noisy and all that other stuff. But that is the unboxing, folks. First thoughts: combination of nice looking parts mixed in with absolute garbage. And whether I'll be happy, you know, by the end of it is another story. I think this was, you know, somewhere in the low hundreds. I just saw recently they dropped the price on a bunch of these, so better deal now than when I got it. But thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.